Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to activate your Tello SIM card online. Now, here you need to go to the Tello activation page, and the easiest way to do so is to search on Google for activate Tello SIM card and tap on the first result here, the activate your Tello SIM card. And then you need here to enter the activation code in this field. Now, if you don't know how to find the activation code, if I tap on this eye icon under the field of the activation code, you can see that the activation code is on your physical SIM card, card that you have here. So this is the activation code. You need to simply enter it in the field here. And once you enter it, simply tap on continue and follow with the setup wizard on the website here till you successfully activate your SIM card. Now the instructions are pretty easy and simple, and you should do it easily yourself with no hassle, and after you do, your Tello SIM card should be activated.